I'm back, I had to find some more parts here. So I'm going to start over again. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this one here. And then I'm going to put this one here. Like that, and then this one here like that, this one here, and this one here like that. That's better, because see, that makes it a little more sturdier. See, now I can handle it. Okay, and then I need one by three there, and then this long one here, and then this one here. Oh, that's perfect. So you see how that makes it so much sturdier that I can actually play with it now. Okay, so now we're gonna go boop, and I'm gonna drop things. There it is. Found it. Okay, so this is gonna go here. Then this is gonna go like this. And this like this. This. So I am basically making the top of this wall, and I think I know what they were doing here, because this is going to be really cool once we get it up here. Okay, so how much? Yeah, I've got time. If I can get this thing to go on there. Okay, so just giving you an all-around look of how that looks. That's the inside of the wall. This is the outside of the wall, and we'll see why this has this detail on it in just a minute. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these, and they're all basically gonna go. So this is gonna go on the side. That. This one's going to go on this side like that, and then these are all going to go like this, and they make that building detail I was talking about, you know, that looks really cool. This building has a lot of good detail in it. It's actually pretty cool. I'm going to put it on my Lego City, and you'll take a tour of that when I'm ready. I'm still in the middle of building it, but as you can see, that's a pretty good detail, isn't it? Alright, so now I need this piece. I need this piece. I need 1, 2. Actually, gotta come over here with these. I need 2 more of these beige blocks. Just one more. Okay, if I don't find it in here, it's in the other one. No, don't see it right off. Oh, there's one. Okay, cool. So I have 4 of those, 1 of these, and this long piece, and then I need, let's see, I need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need 2 of these. Okay, just like that. think that's all I need, because then I need the stickers. I'll grab those right now. And those will sit right there. And let's build this. So we'll get this out of the way for a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to take this part. I'm going to go like this. Like that. And I'm going to flip this over, and we're going to put this down here like this, so it'll look like that. Yep. There you go. I'm going to flip this for a minute, because I need one here, one here. Okay, two there, and then so I'm going to check something right quick. So this one goes here. Darn it all. Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm taking these blocks here and I'm lining them up with what's in here so you can see it. When it comes together, it'll actually fit right on there. Alright, so, and then I need this to be here. Or here. I think it goes there. This, I think, goes like that. This one goes, okay, so this goes, oops. I'm just going to waste time on this, but I know how to glue this down if I need to. Right now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to put some stickers on here. So first one I'm going to do is, so they want Osborne for mayor, good grief. I'm going to put this, okay, so remember, want to line it up with a certain edge and get it in there like that, and then put it around like that, and there you go. So when this pops in here like that, you'll see it like that. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so I'm going to push this off for a minute. I need this big one. And this one is going to go right here. So this one I'm going to show you how to do it, but I'm going to do it a certain way. So I grab it like this. Okay, and then you can put it on any way you like. I just try to pick an edge because then it looks really good, and then I push down on it. And then this one is going to go right here, and I'm going to try to center this one as best as I can. There we go. Boom. Bingo. So, pretty cool. And then this one goes here. Actually, I think this one goes in the center. Like that. I don't know why they were showing it like that. Alright, so this is going to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blocks and do this, and then I'm going to line up So see where these are? That's what I'm going to line those up with. So I know they go on. Oh, come on. Really? There we go. Okay. So let me flip this over. That will be how that will look. Let's leave that like that for a minute so you can kind of, I'll move it so you can see the whole thing. It's kind of cool. All right, so now this is where it gets ugly because I have to bring my building over here. So I'm gonna grab this right quick. I'm gonna put this right here. Hopefully you can see the front of this thing, and this will slide right in here like that, and it locks in. Okay. Bad use of finger knowledge. Need to stop doing that. There we go. Make it click in. Okay. So then I'm going to move my phone a little bit. You can see how it locks in there on the top, and then I will flip this up so you can see it. That's the front right there. So there you go. And I will see you in the next video.